Glendale homeowners know how intense Arizona's heat can be. With triple-digit summers, long hours of sunshine, and warm evenings that linger well into fall, keeping your home cool is a priority, and often, a challenge. While many homeowners focus on windows or HVAC upgrades to improve efficiency, your entry door plays a much bigger role in energy performance than you might think. If your current door is old, warped, poorly sealed, or made with outdated materials, it may be letting hot air in and cool air out, all while driving your utility bills higher. Upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door is a smart, cost-effective way to improve comfort and significantly reduce your monthly cooling expenses. Here's how energy-efficient entry doors help Glendale homeowners save money all year long. Superior insulation keeps the desert heat out. Not all doors are created equal. Traditional wood or hollow core doors offer very little insulation, making it easy for outdoor temperatures to enter your home. Energy-efficient entry doors, however, are engineered with insulation at their core. Modern energy-efficient doors feature high-density foam insulation to reduce heat transfer, insulated, multi-layer construction, durable materials like fiberglass or steel that resist warping, and heat thermal break technology to minimize heat conduction. This means your home stays cooler during Glendale's hottest months, without forcing your air conditioning system to work overtime. Tight weather stripping prevents costly air leaks. Even small gaps around your entry door can cause major energy loss. In the desert climate, these gaps allow hot air to rush inside, making your home feel warmer and less comfortable. Energy-efficient replacement doors come equipped with heavy-duty weather stripping, improved sealing technology, precision-fit frames, professional installation to eliminate drafts by creating an airtight seal. These doors minimize energy loss and help maintain stable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient glass adds style without the heat. Many Glendale homeowners love entry doors with decorative or full glass panels. But if the glass isn't energy efficient, it can act like a magnifying glass, allowing heat and UV rays to penetrate your home. Upgraded doors use low emissivity glass, double or triple pane insulated glass. Argon gas fills between panes. UV blocking coatings. These features reduce heat gain, protect your home from sun damage, and help keep cooling costs low while still offering stunning curb appeal. Reduced HVAC usage means lower monthly bills. When your entry door prevents heat from entering your home, your air conditioner doesn't have to cycle as often. Over time, this leads to lower monthly utility bills, reduced wear on your HVAC system, longer lifespan for your air conditioning unit, more efficient overall cooling distribution for Glendale families, where cooling is one of the biggest household expenses. This alone can make a significant impact. Improved comfort in every room. Hot air infiltration around your entry door doesn't just impact your utility bills, it also affects your comfort. Rooms near the front entry can become noticeably warmer than others, leading to inconsistent temperatures throughout your home. With an energy-efficient entry door, you'll enjoy more even indoor temperatures, less heat radiating from the door surface, a cooler, more comfortable home during peak summer heat, better indoor air quality with fewer outdoor pollutants entering. Comfort is immediate and lasts all year. Long-term savings and increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades consistently offer strong return on investment, and entry doors are no exception. Homebuyers in Glendale increasingly look for homes with modern efficiency features. By upgrading your entry door, you gain higher resale value, improved curb appeal, reduced maintenance, long-term energy savings. This makes the upgrade a smart financial decision, not just a cosmetic one. Final thoughts: energy-efficient entry doors do far more than enhance your home's appearance. They provide powerful insulation, eliminate drafts, improve comfort, and significantly reduce the amount of energy needed to cool your home in Glendale's desert climate. Whether your current door is aging or you're simply looking to improve efficiency, upgrading to a high-performance entry door delivers savings you can feel and see on your monthly utility bills.